Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha here at my Bougie Farmhouse, and it's time for our next project. I'm so excited. So next project is my utility closet. Let me show you. So as you can see, it literally is just where they have all of the utilities going through. This is the vent for our dryer. We have the electrical panel, and that's the access to over the attic on that portion of the house. And then if you turn around this corner, we also have, I don't even know what these are for, but we also have some piping, I believe, for the HVAC, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but it's super tight. So far we've been using this one cabinet. I'm trying to see if I can get you in here deep, and it has doors on it, and I can't even get you in here and like I need to. Yeah, it's just not working for us. And true to form in this house, they have this dark dingy color that literally the entire upstairs was painted this color. Like if you look at the hallway right now, we just repainted our hallway so that it's light and bright, but the hallway too was this color. This is how small of a space it is. Like, it's super tiny, but I believe it could be cute. The problem is, because of these being here, I can't put anything tall here. I don't believe, I think it just would not make sense to put a tall cabinet here. Yeah, and the problem too is the door, like, it's just, like, it's just a small space. Like, I kind of feel like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I originally purchased a short Billy. I don't know if you can see that. I originally purchased the short Billy bookcase, and the plans was to have it go back here. But now that I'm looking in here, let me see if I can take you in. We have this in the center of the floor, and because it's so far out in the floor, it's going to hinder all of this space that I thought I had. I thought it went straight down, but it doesn't. It goes down and then it curves. Why does it curve like that? It just has... Whoever did this doesn't make sense. Like, why? So now I'm thinking we're going to leave this wide open. I may be going back to IKEA. I mean, I'm never mad about going back to IKEA, but... So we're going to have to pivot a little bit. Like, this is not what I planned. And I'm not happy about that. But we can make it work. I think the small one can still go here. And then we can do another big Billy bookcase here. I need to measure it. Off to IKEA. We gotta start taking stuff off the shelves, right? This smells so good. Again, the Pristine Aroma. The English Country Inn is my favorite. And I think there's one more. Oh, this smells clean. Like, if you want a clean aroma in your house, this is it. Like, I use it in our bedroom. And like, I just have like the little diffuser sticks, and I just turn it over and you get the fragrance all over again. It's like one of those fragrances that stop you in your tracks. Now we got a blank slate. Look at that. Looks so much bigger when it's empty. Oh, really? So what are you saying? Back up, Bree.
Excuse me. Have that.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna go put on my painting clothes. So with everything cleared out, we can get started painting. I used the color Whipped Cream by Bear and then Eggshell Finish. And yes, I got paint on the light, but don't worry, it was able to scrape off. You'll see that on the end. Alright, so now the first coat is on, I'm gonna work on the edges, so that way by the time I put my second coat on, I think we should be good. Alright, second coat took about 15 minutes. Next up, I'm gonna trim again. And then we're done with the white. And then we're going to do my polka dots. Alright, so the white is done. And I think I'm going to give it like an hour so that it can fully dry. Okay, so while we're waiting for paint to dry, I am going to try to put it together, that Billy bookcase. Y'all, I'll tell you, this bookcase was so heavy to move, it wasn't even funny. I should have called my husband for it, but I made it work. Okay. That was harder than it looked. I'm just gonna take a break. And in true husband fashion, he walked in the room being all nosy, and I left it up to him. So he put that Billy bookcase together in about 10 minutes, and I was left to just go back up and paint. So yeah. Alright, so nobody's gonna see this area because we got two cabinets going right here. So let's use this middle portion right here as a chance to figure out how we're going to do this. I'm gonna use my tiny little brush. The tiniest one I got. Let's see. Okay, here goes nothing. Here's what I'm wondering. My thoughts is, are the imperfections of the circle gonna bother me? I don't know. I don't know. I also saw somebody that did like the little, and it was super cute. So should I switch to that? I'm pretty sure I can drag this down and give it maybe bigger ones. Or should we just trust the process? I don't know. Wish I had a board. Something. This would be another option just to do like. I kind of like those. So I think I like this better. So this is what we're doing.
about doing something like that downstairs.
It's not too much.
Hey, it's custom.
It's done. Well, that's it, you guys. That's the video for this week. Thank you all for watching. In next week's video, we're gonna have how I style it, how everything comes together with the new bookcases. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. So like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me, would you try this in your house? Until next week, bye-bye.